Good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss the thing related to the basic important chapter, that is squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. In this, I'm trying to discuss n number of methods for each kind of problem. So, and we should be see different models for a single issue. I'll give a multiple solution for a single problem. I can say simply one problem have n number of methods. So whatever the method you are comfortable, you can use that. According to time consumption, you can use in the compute tables. That is what our intention. So I should go what is the square and square roots individually, then discussion of that, then after I'll give the problems. So later we'll start our discussion square. So what is understand by square? The square is nothing but we are multiplying the number with the same number. That is nothing but a square. Example, we have one box. We have same similar kind of box. We have another box like this. So this is a X, another one is X. So how many? This is two boxes will come. So the number of boxes will come same kind of things means automatically will come X into X, X square. Count it can be X plus X, X square will come. That similarly we can take two boxes I was already given. Then boxes are X and X box. We have same boxes means down will come another two box I was created. This is extra set. Previous case, this is the original. This is extra addition I was given. One more extra addition I was given. Total it got 4. I was given 2, we got 4. That is nothing but how many I was given? 1 and 2. 2 I was mentioned. Automatically 2 square. It becomes answer is 4. So how many we have right now? 4 boxes. Count completely it becomes 4. So there are 1 and 2 boxes I was mentioned. Totally the same box if you place it is becomes is 4. So like that, all dimensionally 3D we have to use it. Like that, the squares we should find out. So simply we can say the number should be multiplied the same number. It becomes a square of the number. So let us will discussion will start. Let us take one value. It is x is a number. The square of the number is square of x is the answer is x square. Clear? So things the number how should I? So x square is nothing but what the number should multiply with the same number x into x. Let us example we should try to take it as we have a number is 2. The square of the number, the square of 2. What is the answer? 2 square.
Two
The answer is same number you multiply 2 into 2. The answer is 4. Multiplication is enough to do it is. Okay. Similarly, we have to work all these things. Next, you can take number is 3. The square of the number 3 square. The answer is 3 into 3. The answer is 9. Let us take a 4. What is the square of 4? 4 into 4. The answer is how much? 16. 16. The 5 square is nothing but what? 5 into 5. We can write is 25.
25.
Next, you can take 6. 6 into 6. The answer is 36.
36.
Next, 7. 7 square. Nothing but 7 into 7. The answer is 49.
49.
Up to on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Till you have to wrote 20 square is equal to 400. Then you continue till all the square up to 25. So 25 square is 625. Like that, all squares you have to implement. So the square how it should be written for a number. That is not number you multiply the same number we have to write. So still now we are discussing is 20 is mandatory for a future level. Please, I'll share the screen. You have try to copy this all. So what is the number here? You try to understand. The value is here. 1 square. Answer is 4. 2 square. I can write number 1 square. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square 25. 6 square. How much it is there? 36.
36.
7 square 49. 8 square 64. 81 how should come? 9 square is 81.
9 square.
10 square is 100. 11 square 121. 12 square 144. 13 square 169. 13 square is 169. Next we should go for a next. What is the 14 square? A 196. 14 square. Am I clear, right? Next 15 square 225.
225.
16 square 256.
256.
17 square 289. 18 square 324. 19 square 361. 20 square is 400. Next 21 square is a 441. 22 square is 484. 23 square is 529. 24 square is 576. 25 square 625. Till here is enough to you. So still all the squares you have to be by hearted default, because this we can use when you're finding the square root. That is very interesting concept over here. Am I clear the things? These are all you need to remember, because 1 to 10 everybody knows, because we are a standard of 8. This is very simple. The 11 to 20 we need to try to remember, because already 11 square is not required. Already we remember many times. 15 square 225 not recommended. 20 square 400 recommend. Already we know that. The rest of 4 and 4 it is 8. So we can call number of times automatically to try to remember for a long time. Okay, then 25 square for 625 many times we heard. The rest of 4 you try to remember. So 4 4 8 8 plus 4 12. So remember the 4 12, the things will be our hands, entire things are our. Okay, but examination when we get at a 13 square we need not to do. We can say that 13 square is 116. We have already remember. Okay, right? So please copy all the things. So average square is mandatory for us. Up to 25 we no need to do the things, we need to understand it is clear, right?
Yes.
So then after something I wanted to tell you, the basic important point tree here only I will try to share the point. When the doing of a square, till clear, no problem at all. Try to copy this or else make a screenshot for you, it's better useful for you. So one more interesting point I'm trying to say in this particular moment, when you're doing the square of a number, what is the unit digit, last digit, how much? 1. I can write here. I can write here only. What value got? Last digit is last digit. What you are going to get? Last digits 1. Next 4.
4,
Next it
9,
is 9. Next what?
16.
Last digit. Don't say it is digit. It is a number. 6
Okay.
is number. 6 is digit.
6,
So 6. What is the next? It is a 5.
5,
Next what? 6. It's already there. No need to
6,
write it is. Next it is 9. It's already written. No
9,
need to copy. Next 4. It's nothing. Already it's written. 1. It's already written.
1,
0. It's already written.
0.
Is there any other things?
No.
1 4 6 9 6 2 5 6 8 9 4 1 0. All this, whatever the number you multiply the squares, the last digit is, these are the numbers only. What are the numbers? You try to copy. I'll write in the sequence order. Last digit. Last digit. You copy this last digits 0 1 4 5 6 9. There are 6. These 6 numbers, the 6 digits should be occur only the last digit of the square, whatever the number you make it square. Are you getting my point or not? In the future level, we have to
Yes.
use the logic. If you square of any number, whatever the number you square here or here or here, the last digit is must be only 6. What are those? 0 1
0, 1,
0 1
4,
4 5 6 9. That's all.
5, 6, 9.
Fine. There is no other number. There is no other possibility also. Whatever the number you take, if I take 1 lakh also, 129 square also, 9 9 is 81. So simple, one only will come. So without doing anything, we can say that if any number they mention in the future level, if the square of the number will come, the what is the unit digit of the number without doing the square root, square of the given number. So we can say that we check this only, these digits. Okay. From that, we can say the what is going to happening is that still this clear? 0 1 4 5 6 9. This all the numbers should be mindset.
Yeah,
Last
clear.
digit, the square of the number. Clear? Huh? This is a square story. Next,
Clear.
I'll try to say what are the numbers I told you. The last digit of square of the any number. Possibility what? 0 1. Next, what is the number? 4
1,
4 5,
4,
6, 9.
5, 6, 9.
Right. Note, please make a note. This point you write down. Last digit of the square of the any number. This will come. These are all only possibility of the set. Where there is no another possibility set. So examination, we have you might have a question like this. So 129 square example is there. What is the 129 square? What is the law of if you do 120 square? I want the last digit of the 129 square. We can say simple. What is the last digit here? 9 it is there. Yes or no? Am I clear? It is 9 it is there, right? Just 9 nines are how much?
Yeah.
81.
81.
So 1 is there.
1 is.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a possibility. The last digit of the square of the numbers, this should be comes into picture. These numbers, it may be used for perfect square cases. So let us, we can go the things little bit understanding. I'll try to share once again. Here, what I told you here, what are the squares you wrote? What are the things will come if a square of this number, this is come. So these are the numbers we can call it as a perfect squares. What I told you, these are
Perfect.
numbers called perfect squares. The number is 36 is all here 256 and 169. These are all perfect squares. Okay, one is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square. These are all perfect squares. So I can say simply the perfect square is of a number consist of last digits are these are all what I told you, right? Those are only. Am I clear,
0,
right?
1, 2,
That is, please try
5,
to
6,
recorrect
9.
the sentence. These are all. So this sentence you can rewrite it is once again like this. It is correct way. The sentence formation. The perfect squares. The perfect squares of a number last digits consist of these digits. It means one number is perfect square. It means the number it should consist of this last digits this only. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Clear? Yeah. This logic I'll use in another way. Clear? Right, the number should be perfect square kavalante, the digit should be this only. Next, right now we are in the square section, so we should not go for square root. So perfect square means the number should be perfect square. Is it available or not? We need to check it out. That is the case, that situation we have to use. Next, I'll try to say another example. They will take one example. The number is example 129. 129, if you make it square, what is the last digit? What is the last digit? So what you have to do generally, 129 into 129 you multiply, you'll get answer. In the answer you check only last digit, how much you have to write here. General format is. Am I clear or not?
1.
You should not say one. Generally we have to use. So don't do multiply entire the thing. I think we should multiply only last digit. 9 is the right. This 9 nines are how much? 81, right?
81.
Just you write one answer is enough because no need to multiply entire the thing. Only last digit you make it square. What is the last digit of the square? You can multiply. You can writing it out. Because why the answer is correct means I think we know general process. 129 into 129. 9 nines are 81.
81.
Then after 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 8, 20. Okay. 9 ones are 9. Answer 11. And after you leave this one, you are going to continue for 2 nines are 18. Yes or no? The process will continue. But the answer is will what? Cross and cross.
1.
Answer will only 1. So it doesn't depend upon the entire the calculation. It depends upon only the first calculation of 9 nines are how much? 81. 8 will go top, 1 will come here. That is what I told you. Only last 2 digits you multiply. You can write if they're asking only last digit of the given square. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
So let us take one more question. 131, 130 square. What is the last digit?
1.
So simple. What is the answer? 1
1
ones are,
into
because
1 into
1 into 1 answer is 1 only.
1.
The last digit is 1 only. Let us take another question. 135. 135 square. What is the answer?
0.
135 I'm
Last
asking.
digit is 0.
135. 5 5s are how much? 10.
25.
10
Oh,
9 mana?
sorry.
25.
25.
25 means last is 5 only. I
5.
think you thought 5 2s are 10. Don't do like this. 1 1s are 1. The number you multiply with that particular number only. Answer is 25. You can last digit is 5. Let us take one more question. Try to understand it is 140 0. 140 square. What is the answer is? 0 into 0. Answer is 0. That's what last digit is 0
0.
only. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
Another question. 133. What's the last digit?
9. 9.
So 3 is there.
3
3
into
3 is
9.
a 9. The last
9.
digit is 9 only.
9.
The concept of lot without doing the entire thing, if you have to do this process, is enough for that. Clear? Huh?
Mm.
So still this, there are we learn only two concepts. First thing is the number is perfect square. Okay. The last digits must be, what are those? 0, 1,
1,
4,
4,
6,
5, 5,
sorry,
6,
5,
9.
5, 6, 9.
6.
9. Next, second concept, the square root, square of any number, last digit finding. What I told you, the number, suppose the number mentioned x, y, z, the square, if you do the last digit is what you have to do, you should multiply with z into z,
Z, Z.
last digit of z, last digit of z into z. Okay, now that is the process we work out. Okay, now
Okay.
example I told you, right? Just now we did of 123. 123 means x, y, z. Z is value 3. Throw 3 3s are 9. The last digit of this one only 9. The two concepts we work on that. Okay. The square C is done. Now I'll go for a square root. A second concept is square root. The square root means square roots, opposite of the squares. So let us what we has to do is square root is the notation is like this, root of x, or if x is a number, write down x is a number, the square root of x is, answer is root x, or else root x is nothing but, here we have a value of 2, we have to write down x power 1 by 2 also. Root x also we can write x power 1 by 2. Clear? Just to write down the symbolic representation, I should say how to find the square root of a given number. Okay. Next, let us take an example. Suppose 4 is a number. Okay. The square root of 4 is, this is a 4. This what can I write? 4 power 1 by 2 writes. This 4 we have to write a 2 square and whole power 1 by 2 to cancel. What the answer is? 2. Clear? So you have a doubt, I think so. Some people might have a doubt. I think we have the thing. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 16 is 4.
4.
The square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 36 is 6. This is the things we observed many cases. But how did you got these answers? How did you got we have a answers like this. Yes or no? We have a methods to find out the square root. We have a methods. So what are the methods are available? I'll try to say methods to find square roots. Methods to find square root. Clear? There are methods to find the square roots. Number one method is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Write down prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Next, second method is successive subtraction. Successive subtraction method. Successive subtraction method. The third method is division method. Division method. These are three methods that I have to find out square root. I will explain each and every method to find out the square root for a given number. Any number, how to find, I'll tell you. Clear? Huh? So we have to start with the prime factorization, which are very important, which are very interesting methodology in a future also. Prime factorization method. Okay, we'll start. What is the prime factorization method? How to find out square root of the finding square is very simple. I told you already. How to find the finding square? X is a number. If you want to square x square, the number if it is 2, it has to multiply 2 into 2. Answer is 4. It's very simple. But finding square root is little difficult. So that is what I'm telling you. You have to be more careful while finding the square root. The first method we have to discuss prime factorization method. Try to siding prime factorization method. So how to do this method, prime factorization method, to solving the problems? Let us first of all, I'll take one sample problem. Whatever your known problem, I'll to start work on that. The first question is square root of 4. Okay, square root of 4. First question. What is the first question? Square root of 4. All numbers I should try to find and then tell you. The problem number 1 is square root of 4. So prime factorization method, first you take a number 4. Please take a LCM. Please take a LCM. So LCM means least common multiple. You have to start with the least number is a 2. Take LCM. What is the value? 2 2s are 4. Then what is this? 2 1s are 2. Till 1 you has to do your thing. So 4 I can write what is that? 2 into 2 into 1. So next, nothing is I can make it 2. So the second of, so what I should say it is the 4 has to take it LCM. 1 second, I'm trying to repeat the answers. The square root of 4. So 2 2s are 4. Then after this 2 1s are 2. So then after this, what I have to do, nothing is there. It is 2. I was already told you. So 4 I can write 2 1s are 2 into 1 into 1. So 1 is not recommended. That is what this 1 is not countable. That's what this 1 you can left. When you're writing it is, you have to left 1. So this is 2 into 2. So when you're writing it out, the square root of it 2, the very interesting point here only. What is the number here? 2. Here the number is 2. So if you have a two numbers of a same kind, you have a two numbers of a same kind, you can take one number out. One number out. How many numbers? There are 2. You have to take one number out. Only 2. The square root of 4 is, the answer is 2. Clear? Huh? I'll try to take one more question for your understanding. Square root of 9 you can take. The square root of 9, how to find out? Same prime factorization method. Then you take LCM. Try to, you can start LCM with the least common multiple is 2. The 9 is divisible by 2. It is no. Then after you can try for 3. It's divisible by 9 is divisible by 3. It's definitely. So 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are. So 9 I can write 3 into 3. The square root of the 9 can write 3 into 3. Clear? I told you just now, here the values number is 2. They have two numbers, the same kind, one number come out. The answer is 3. I think it was very clear. Next, we are trying to switch on this next case. 16 you can take. The square root of 16. The square root of 16 means you can take the 16 LCM directly. It's very important. Please try to concentrate on here. 16 means here how to find the square root of 16. First, I told you to take LCM here. The LCM means we have to understand, start with two table. So 16 is divisible by 2 or not? So definitely the 16 is divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16. Clear? Huh? So next it is 2 8s are 16. So what is there here? 2 4s are 8. Still it's possible. So 2 2s are 4. Am I clear, right?
4.
So the thing is what you need to go like this on low answer. So next the thing is what we need to multiply all these things till you get it 1. So you have to write the 16 is a multiple of these four numbers. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2 also. Am I clear? One you left out because multiply with one, same kind of thing will come. So this I should continue in such a way. 2 kind of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So I told you one logic. Here there was a number is 2. What is there? There are two kind of same number. If you take one number will come out into here. Two kind of one number is two kind of one number is that 2 come out. What is the answer here? 4. It means the square root of 16 is 4. The method is very clear. Clear? Next, if you wanted to understand one more sample question, I'll take root 64. I'll take the square root of 64 is how much? So method is very simple. I told you many times. Directly you can take 64. The 64 you can take it as LCM. When you start working with LCM, take with the starting with number is 2. If it is 2, it's not clear, go for 3. 3 is not, go for 4. That you can go over, don't take directly 8. This makes stupidity. So 2 3s are 6, 32. 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Am I clear, right? So you have to write the 16 multiple of what you can write down, the square root of 64. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into like this. We have to get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Like this we have 6 2s we have. Next, according to the logical thing, what he has to do, 2 2 same kind you can take out. This is a 2, there are 2 times, take 1 2. Here 2 the same kind, take 1 2 out. 2 you get same kind, you can take 1 2 out. Am I clear, right? So what is the answer? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So like this we are trying to get out. So the square root of the 64, you have to get the answer is 8 only. The procedure is very simple. I think whatever the number I mentioned, you have start the LCM like this. This is a process is there. I think it's very clear. So
Yes.
some logical. Now we can say the 64 when you are doing it is 64. You are getting the perfect like perfectly all these things come out. Every number should come out. Every number should come out. There is no left out number in the square root. There is no another left out number. This type of number, if you got like this answer, irrespective of any root, though 64 is a perfect square. We can say 64 is a perfect square. So till whatever all perfect squares only. 16, there is no left out portion. Perfect square, perfect square, perfect square. Like this we have. Sometimes when you're finding, I'll take one LKG number. If you take any other number, sample number without square root means problem, we can take another. 124 is there, 145 you can take. Let us take 144. The square root of 145 we can take. So let us take how to find the square root of 145. I think we don't know, right? We have to go for process. 145. Do LCM. Will you come with the 2? Is it possible with 2? Last digit must be 2 table. It is not possible. So square root 2 is not. Is it possible with 3? 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So it is not divisible by 3 also. Clear? Because here we have to know the divisibility rules of all. Then after try to with 4. It is 4 means last 2 digits. It is not possible. Next last another digits also there. What's the 5 table? Last digit is 5. So I'll try to concentrate on only for the last digit of the thing 5 table. So let us we can start to concentrate on that. So thing is what 5 5s are. So what is the 5 table? 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 40. Right? Am I clear? Right? Next, what is the number is possible? Is there any other number is possible? 29. There is no possibility of other number. Am I clear? It's only 29 number. Clear? Huh? So what he has to write down? The square root you keep. What is this? 5 into 29. Is there any similar kind of 2 here? To take out? It is no possible. So we can say simply the 145 is does not have perfect square. Example, one more example for you to understand very clearly. The square root of 8 I'll try to take. So please find square root of 8. What is the answer, Anna? 8 you are taking. Apply this. 2 4 are 8. 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2. Clear? The square root of 8, what can I write? So 8 into 8 into 8. Clear? So we can say there are two kind of the value is 2. The square root means 2 only. So 2 same kind. Sorry, I wrote it the wrong thing, right? So 2 multiples I should write. Sorry to write. So we have to write 2 into 2 into 2. Clear? So according to the methodology, there are same kind come out. Here possibility is there are 2 2s are there. It should come out. What about the 2? It is not trying to come out. It should be that one. It should be you has to keep when the people are asking. You have to write like this only. The square root of 2. The answer is 2 root 2. So if the some value will be left here in the square root, this is left out in the square root of the inside the square root. It is left out. So such a things will be happening that particular time. The 8 is not a perfect square. 8 is not a perfect square. The how did you decide it? By factorization method. This is one logic of factorization method. We have another logic also. I told you the first thing. The last digit we can see the 8 is not appear in that 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. 8 is not available. Like that also we can say. This is the way also we can say is it perfect square or not. If it is perfect square, it should come out. Any more doubt till this? Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Till this, what our discussion is today. What is the square and what is the square root? Okay. Then how to find squares? I was already told you. How to find out square root also I told you by method of first method is clear. The method is what is the first method? Prime factorization method. Can I say another method to find out prime factorization square root of the number? Okay. Second method is what? Successive subtraction method. I think so. Successive prime subtraction. Copy the method. Successive prime subtraction method. So how to find by doing this method, how to find a square root of the number. Let us one question I'll take. I'll try to explain for you sake of understanding. The first question is I'll take the square root of 169. What is the question? Square root of 169. The square root of 169 I should find by using a successive prime subtraction method. What are the method they mentioned? You should follow that only. The method is very simple. First you have to write number 169. From this, you should subtract first. What are the prime number, Nana? What is for even number? Prime subtraction method, success subtraction method. Some method is there. Subtraction method. First, you write odd numbers. First, write all odd numbers. What is the odd numbers, Nana? Odd number set: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9,
7,
1, 3, 5,
9,
7, 9, and 11, and 13, and 15,
13,
and 17, and 19,
17,
up to so on like this.
19.
Okay. First, you subtract with 1. First, you subtract with 1. What is the answer, Nana? 168.
168.
This 168, this is the case number 1. 168 you keep here. Next, you subtract with second number, second one, 3 here. What is the answer is now?
165.
Next, 165 you keep here. Subtract with 5. What is the answer now?
160.
Good. Next, 160 now you can keep. Subtract with 7. What is the answer now? 160 minus 7, 153. Okay.
153.
This 153 keep here. Subtract with 9. Clear? What is the answer?
144.
144.
144.
Good catch. Next, 144 you subtract with 11. What is the answer?
133.
133. Good. Next case, 133 you need to subtract with 13. What is the answer?
13. 120. 120.
120. Good. This 120 you take, subtract with 15. What is the answer?
105.
105. Then you take a 105, you subtract with 17. What is the answer?
88.
88. 105 minus 17. 88.
17.
88. Next, 88 you subtract with 19. What is the answer now? 69. Okay. 88 minus 90, 69. You can take a 69, you subtract with 21. What is the answer now? 48. Next, you take a 48, you subtract with the number is 23. What is the number you come out? You should subtract just, it's 23. The number is 25. Clear? Huh? Next, you go 25. You subtract with which number? 25. You subtract with 25. What is the answer you got? 0. Till 0 you have to do. Till 0. Till 0 you have to work on that. Your answer is 0. Till you should do. Here you should count how many stages are went off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
7,
9,
8,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13.
13.
13 stages you went off. So therefore, the square root of 169 is 13. Clear? Huh?
Yeah, clear.
This is a method we have to follow when you're doing this. The simple thing, these are all numbers. These are all odd numbers. You need to subtract with odd numbers. Each successive step, you copy the resultant answer. 169 is 1, 168, you can take copy here again, subtract with 3, you can do it. Similarly like this, similarly like till 0. How many stages you went off? The number of stages will give your answer. Because I took a big number to understand how many stages will went off. Okay, now if you are make it very simple number, take square root of 9. It will get a second's answer. Same method, prime factorization. You try to take it out. 9 you take. First you subtract with minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. You take it 8 here. 8 minus 3. Answer is 5.
5.
You take it 5. 5 minus 5. Answer is
0.
0. So stages is what? First stage, second stage, third stage. Answer is what? 3 only. Number of stages, 3 stages. So square root of 9 is 3. I think how is the method it is? It's very simple method. Yes or no?
Simple method. Yes.
Yeah, that is what a successive prime factorization, prime subtraction method. It is the second method is done. So last method is division method is there. That we'll discuss in the next classroom session. So let us, I'll try to show your textbook, what are the methods are there that trying to see here. This is a square root introduction part is done. That in number squares you need to find it out. This is all introduction part. You can read your textbook, you can easily understand. Then after trying to go for first exercise, what are the problems are there? I'm trying to look into that. Is there any possibility we try it out? If not, I'll take each question. I'll discuss in that. Yeah. And now let us please try to take 6.1. I'll give the some introduction part. Some question I'll try to give homework. It's better analysis. So what is the first question? What will be the
What
unit
will
digit?
be the unit
Digit of the square of the following number?
following numbers?
It's very simple, right? I was already told you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. What will come, Nana? First question. 39.
39.
What is the square of the 39 last unit digit? What he has to do? First question you take. 39. 39 square.
9.
So 9 into 9, it is
9.
81.
81.
What is the answer will come? Last digit. 1.
1.
The
1.
answer is what? 1. Next,
1.
297 you can take. Second question. 297 square last digit means you has to take just 7 into 7. 49. The answer
49.
is just 9.
9.
Next, 5125 whole square. What is the answer? Just you take 5. 5 5 is 25.
25.
The answer is 5 only.
5.
Next, this is 6 6 is 36. The answer is 6 only. Next, 8742 whole square. You can do just last digit. 2 2 is 4. Answer is 4 only.
4.
Clear? Huh?
Clear.
You try to write. Here 9 is there. 9 9 is 81. Answer is
81.
1 only. Next, here 297 whole square, nothing but 7 7 ja. Last digit 7 7 ja 49. Answer is 9.
9.
Next, here last digit 5 5 ja 25.
25.
The answer is 5.
5.
Without doing any square, you can take that. Last digit, you can take 6 6 ja 36. The answer is 6. Here 2 2 ja 4. The answer is 4 only. Okay, because one single digit. Clear? Huh?
Okay.
This is clear, I think so. Next, I try to go
Clear.
second bit also. What is which of the following is perfect squares? I told you the number should be perfect square. The last digit is, what are the numbers? 0
1.
0
0. 1.
1
0. 1.
4 5
4.
6
5.
9.
6. 9.
These are the numbers are enough to do this. It is the last digit. By looking into that, we have to say the number is perfect square or not. So thing is what here? What is the last digit of here? 1. Is it going to S or not? Yes, definitely it's available. Yes. It is S only. Next, last digit is what? 6.
6.
Is it a perfect square or not? I think 6 is now available or not?
Yes.
So
Available.
it is possible. It is possible. We cannot say it is possible. It is a confirmation is there. There may be chance of there. We cannot perfect square it is there. We can make a chance of there. So you can do that. Perfect squares. Then 256. 6 is available. This we can say. 321. This we can say. 600. This we can say. I think 136 it's not available. 014 01456 I think we can say that this. I think 136 is not a perfect square actually. This will look into that once again. So this is the way we have to look into this. By seeing this number losses, we can say that. Okay, no?
Okay.
So till this we are trying to say is it perfect squares or not. So this is one method. This by looking into this. Am I clear, right? So this is one of the shortcut method. Okay, but better he
Okay.
has to go in my process. Is it perfect square or not? What I told you, use a prime factorization method. Take 121,
Creation.
do it out. 121, 11, 11 is 121. It is clear. Okay, we can say clearly.
Okay.
But if you
Mm.
take a second question, this 136 is there. Let us take 136. Take 2 6 are 12. Next 2 6 are 2 8 are 16.
16.
Next
60.
234 to 17. Then 17 ones are 17 only. Clear? Huh? If you take
Mm.
the square root of this perfect square or not, so what is there? Square root, try to find out. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 17 is there. So here if you're looking into that, there are 2 is there come out, but there is no another same numbers towards 17. Is there will come out? No. The answer is so 2 root 34. So they should not come like this. If it is come, it is not a perfect square. So by we can say looking into the method, we cannot fix the shortcut sometimes. So definitely it will follow this is method. Prime factorization better it is. Clear? Huh? Like this you can take it out. When you have a doubt, the perfect square method will give a accurate answer for any kind of question. It should come out. Pair should come out. If it is non-pair will be there inside the root, it is not a perfect square. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
The like this. What I told you, there is a next question. What are the there? What are the methods are there? Next case. The following numbers are not a perfect squares.
Numbers are not
Here,
perfect
what are the
square.
numbers are perfect squares? What are the numbers are not perfect squares? Checking it out. All numbers same by using prime factorization method is best option. Up to my suggestion. Clear? If any the shortcut
Clear.
is there, any correction shortcut, I'll look into the next class. Clear? But up to this, you can use prime factorization method best option. Okay. Next, what is the next method? Whether the squares of the following numbers are even number or odd number. This we can do it out. Whether the square of a number, even number or odd number. First, what you has to do? If you do square, what is the number will come? 1 1 1 will come, last digit.
1. Mm.
So 1 is even number or odd number?
Odd number.
You can say odd number. Next, this is 6 into 6. 36. So 6 is odd number or even number?
Even
Even
number.
number. Next, here 4 4 is 16. 6 is a even number. 9 9 is 81. 1 is a odd number. 8 8 is 64.
Odd number.
Even number. Okay. So like this, by looking into, you can say that this is a odd number. This is a even number. This is a even number. This is a odd number.
Odd
This is
number.
a even number.
Even number.
Okay. Till this, the 4 bits,
Okay.
please complete the entire things what you are taught in the fundamental. Please write a notes. Till this you complete, we'll look into the next class. Clear? So
Okay.
till this, I'm trying to stop. The next class we'll look into the another methods also there to clear the square root and square root of the things. So the theoretical questions are available in the next 6.2 and 6.3. It might be, which must be careful when you're working on that. Okay. Thank you. Still we stopping. We'll see in the next class. Okay. Still any more doubt?